Hi everybody, it's Chartsky, and our new crude oil focused trading room is really fun and profitable and a nice change of pace, and you can join us in there tomorrow. As you know, I don't see much sense in making video after video that shows the same thing, but here's one that shows an opening trade. These are available to us almost every morning, but before we get to that, we always start the day at about 8:45 to 8:50 Eastern with a top-down analysis of overnight activity and especially the European session. So we'll join that analysis as it was held in the live trading room today, June 30th, 2015. We have the 1-minute chart. We see the market has moved up very strongly from the European session open, which is about in here. Moved up, strongly whipped, moved up really strong, and now it's retraced a little bit there, okay, and retraced a little bit more, but it's still just a major retracement from the up move. A little bit easier to see on this 5-minute chart. So I'm looking for buys. I'm looking for this high at about 58, 86, 87 to get broken and penetrated the upside, and we've got $1.20 room to 58.60. So looking to buy initially. If things change, we'll look to sell. We got 3 or 4 minutes, and then we'll see what we get. Okay, about 30 seconds to the 9 o'clock open. Price, of course, in this range here. It's going to break out at the open. If it get down in here, 50 to 55, 58.50 to 58.55, this little zone area down here, I'll be a strong buyer, and I think I'd rather go in on the front end of it. So I'll put the order in at 55 to buy, and here we go. Got to buy in the euro at 12.18. Got to watch 75 here. We're up at the area where I'd buy breakout to the upside too out of this range. But I'd much rather get in. Yeah, here we come. Get in down at 55 for 15, 30, and 40. Remember, the range is 50 to 55. If it comes through us a few ticks, that's okay. All right, we're in 15, 30, and 40, not 50. So knock that down to 40. 15, 30, and 40. See if we can't get a reversal bar right away. Boy, that'd be great, wouldn't it? Maybe coming down to test 50. It tried to turn. Looks like it wants to come lower just a little bit. You could scratch and go in lower. I'm going to just hold the entry right here. I believe it's going to turn up pretty good. In fact, I'm going to go 20 ticks on the first target. 20, 30, and 40. There's nothing wrong with taking 15 on the first target. Money in the bank, but I think we can get 20 pretty easy on this setup. Kind of hanging, got a doji there. They keep churning it at 55 and bouncing off of that. That's a good sign too. But this is the opening range. A couple more ticks and we'll just go to break even because it should be shooting up pretty soon. I would have really liked to seen this second bar be a reversal bar. Boy, that would have shown some strength. Euro took off without us, so let's take that entry off so it's not just sitting out there. Only thing we got working now is the crude oil trade. $20, $30, and $40 tick profit targets. Let's see, basically two dojis. All right, break even. There's a good push. Let's see if it can continue on up. All right, it's at 15 ticks. Anybody who's at 15 will be off, but that's okay. It should keep going. All right, we got 20. Let's go to +1 on the remaining two. Oh, sorry about that. We just got to give it room to work now. It's too soon to start trailing under these conditions. Well, this will be disappointing if it whips all the way back. We'll be we've been in a trading range. You can see it right here. If it comes all the way back, we got another range bound open. We've still got good money in the bank off this trade, but we'll just give it a chance to work. Okay, we've had a little hesitation. The last bar was a doji. I'd like to see a push up here. Of course, crude oil doesn't always call me to see what I'd like to have happen. Could be getting a head fake here. We're sitting in good position, so we got money in the bank and a free trade on the rest of the position. If you get a good entry, I think you're more than halfway there. Then it's money management, and that's it. Here we go. Push on up. Running into resistance at the highs, and that's fine. See it push on through. All right, we got the second profit target. Let's lock in 15 on the last. I'm sorry, let's lock in 20 on the last. Lock in 25. It's hit the final target, didn't fill though. That's too bad. It hit right on that target and didn't fill. I think it should push up for another try. That's why we're not any tighter than we are. Gets up there again, we'll lock in another 5. There we go. 20, 30, and 40 in 10 minutes. All right, let's see what we can find next. Well, here is what we found next, and the rest of the trades we took this morning. You can see on the second one, we faded the move up and got a part profit. Just wouldn't come down. There was an awful lot of whip there for a while. We took a 10 tick loss there at about 10.20. We took one and got 1 tick trailing at about 10.40, 10.42, and then we caught a nice 60 tick trade in the morning. And remember what else I spoke about in the pre-market analysis? At about 8.45, 8.50, we thought price would get up to 59.60, and there it got. It might seem like magic, but it's just knowing how to use support and resistance. And it's good to know when your runners might fizzle out, or if you want to take a divergence entry up there near the highs. Anyway, you can join us as soon as tomorrow. Here's the CFTC disclaimer, very important, and I urge you to read it. And if you want more information, please go to my blog at www.chartsky.com or send me an email to chartskytrades@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.